The Sea Isle is your go-to choice if you're seeking a straightforward, no-fuss swimming pool. It's elegantly designed with smooth radius corners, a flat bottom layout, cozy wide bench seating, and convenient corner entry steps. We believe everyone should enjoy a good swim, and that's why the Sea Isle comes with a gentle touch. It offers a uniform depth of 5 feet throughout, eliminating the deep end. This feature is perfect for those looking to glide across for water aerobics, engage in some beneficial physical therapy, or simply relish a leisurely swim without the intimidation of varying depths. Safety and accessibility are at the heart of the Sea Isle's design. Its flat bottom ensures that those with mobility concerns can move safely and freely. Plus, with a total width of 11 feet and 1 inch, swimmers can easily reach the pool's edge for extra support during their water sessions. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.